Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and what I'm going to show you right now is how to capture full screenshot using Google browser. No need for you to download any software for us to do this one. Okay, so I'll start now. So without further ado, all you have to do here, just click the three dots in the upper right corner, go down to more tools and select developer tools. Alright, so you do see the page on the left corner, right? This one, this is the website. This is the entire page. So we're going to capture the entire screen, the entire page using the browser. So all you have to do is click this button twice, and so 1, 2, click twice, then click these three buttons and go down to capture full size screenshot. Click this option and wait for the captured page to be downloaded on the lower left button here, this one. Alright, let's wait a while. There you go, it's downloading and it was done. It was completed already, so we have to open this one. Alright, there you go, it's fully captured. The entire page was captured successfully using only the Google browser on your PC. So you can zoom in to read the context. There you go. That's how it's easy, guys. Very simple. So we have to explore more. Imagine the Google browser itself is a powerful tool. It has a lot of hidden functionalities that would help us to do one thing that we can afford to do so. So we have realized now that Google browser Chrome is a powerful tool. There are a lot of functionalities and capability on this particular browser. All we have to do is just discover them and then work on it. That's all you have to do, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed my tutorial for this simple one, and if you do have suggestions, just comment below, guys, and let me know if you want me to do a tutorial, other video tutorial. Just comment below, and please don't forget to hit subscribe button to support my channel and to see more videos coming from me. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye for now.